Hi guys, today I want us to focus on just one pose and see what is the right way of doing the pose. So which actions you need to bring into the pose to feel it right, because it's not about how it looks on the outside. It's not about that. It's about how you perform the pose in a safe and productive way, so you can hi Max. So you can be sure that it brings you good, you're not hurting yourself. And we're going to look at different poses. So today is for them. I want us to spend just a little bit of time on a plank pose. So I'll show you what's the common mistakes of the pose and how to, act properly, and what's the actions in the pose. Okay, so we start with the hands shoulder width apart, spread the fingers wide, and remember, we don't want to jump our wrists. We're going to use our hands in the plank, right? This is our foundation, and the shoulder girdle and the wrists, they're not designed to bear a lot of weight, so we need to make sure that we're clawing like crazy. We're using all 10 fingertips, all 10 knuckles, so inside part of your hand, you're not lifting it like this, you keep it down, press, and you kind of drawing energy towards the center of your hand, so your wrists, your carpal tunnel, they stay intact, they stay light. Okay, hands there, then back up your knees, tuck your toes under, float your knees and come to a plank. So, first general mistake there. You see, I'm looking like banana. This is bad because you're dumping on your lower back and you're not using your core, because this is core muscles as well. Lift your lower ribs, lift, float you and puff up your lower back. There, feel your core. And the second general mistake, right there, here. You're lifting your bum too high. You're so like in between your plank and your downward facing dog. So, when you feel your core, then start curling your tailbone under. So it's ideal, it's a straight line from your shoulders to your heels. Okay? Sometimes it helps when you grab a block. And the block can be placed in between your shins or in between the thighs. We'll try it with the thighs today. So remember, hands, press down, draw the energy, magnetize your forearms, and gently rotate your biceps forward. Then tuck your toes under, float. Lift your lower ribs, puff off your lower back. Lower ribs. So kind of creating some space there. Some people do that. Lift, engage your core. And from there, magnetize. You see, you need to be able to hold the block. You magnetize your legs, you draw the energy. This is good. And then tailbone under. Good. Stay here for 3 breaths if you can. And slowly release. Sit back. Or maybe you just watch the video and you do it after. This is all good. So not banana shape. Don't lift your hips too high. Straight line. Remember, engage your core. Low ribs in. Good. Thank you for watching. Namaste.